Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of Law Firm Launch. Today, I want to talk about how to set goals for your law firm that actually make a difference. Before we get to that though, I want to remind you, if you're a law firm owner and you want to be part of a cool group, you want to have some fun, you want to learn some stuff, you want your business to grow, come and check out Law Firm Launch. It's easy to get there, lawfirmlaunch.co. All right, so it's early in the year and everybody's thinking about goal setting, and I think a lot of us just do it wrong, quite frankly. I was having a coaching call with a law firm owner in Sweden today, actually, and we were talking a little bit about goals, and he said something like, I want to make some more money, I want to go on a vacation, right? I was like, listen, you're doing it all wrong. You want to try to fix this so you can actually get to where you want to go. Here's what I try to do when I'm setting my goals. First of all, it is nice to have some monetary goals. I set a goal for myself to make 7 figures last year, and I hit that goal, and it was cool. But that was it. Once I hit it, it was like, okay, now what? And this year's goal is to make a little bit more money, but that's not what my goals are surrounded by. I would encourage you to not focus your goals just on money either. Yes, we got to eat, but if you take the approach that I'm about to lay out to goal setting, I think you'll find that you do make more money, but you also live a better life, that your business is better overall, and that things are just kind of more amazing, okay? So here's what I do. Instead of thinking about what I want in terms of just a monetary random number, I think about things in terms of what do I want to get or acquire, and what do I want to eliminate. And for the most part, I think about what I need to eliminate first, what I need to acquire second. Now, you may go the other direction, but that is the way that I found success for me. And when it comes to business in particular, I try to think about the things that I want to stop doing, okay? When I was talking to my coaching person today, he was mentioning, that he was tired of doing so much legal work. And I said, okay, great. Then one of your goals for 2023 should be to eliminate doing legal work, which also, by the way, happens to be one of my goals for 2023. I was almost there last year and hit some road bumps, and I'm working my way there again. So how do we do that? You just have to break that down into steps. Think about, okay, well, I'm going to need someone to be able to do the things that I need to do. How am I going to be certain that they are going to be able to do them? Right? So, okay, we need to create some processes. We need to think about what kind of person we want to have in here. How are we going to pay them? How are they going to make money? Those kinds of things. And then you will just take the first step in that direction. So what you might say is for January 2023, I want to write down, document all of my processes for the way that I do an estate plan. Okay, that's month 1. Month 2, then you're going to refine that. You're going to turn that loose and you're going to try to follow it yourself and see if it works. And in month 2, you're also going to put a job ad out for an attorney. Okay, this is assuming that you can fill that person up with work, right? If you can't, if you're not busy enough, then job 1 is going to be to create some leads. And you might do that by saying, okay, in January, I'm going to launch a Facebook ads campaign. I'm going to run some Google ads. I'm going to begin creating content every week that I can put out there to the world that will allow me to make some more business, get some more clients, do all those kinds of things. But until you know what you want that end goal to look like, that big picture sort of life to look like, you can't begin to create it and build it today, which is really what you want to whittle down is what do I need to do today? And then your goal is just to win every single day. All right. So if you have been setting your law firm goals based on just money, then you probably are making some progression, but it could be way faster if you think about the things that you want to get off of your table. All right, so that's how I would do it. That's where I would start. I would go from there, okay? So as always, if you like this video, hit the like button. If there's someplace you can subscribe, do that. And if you have questions or comments, leave them. I'm happy to answer them. And as always, if you want to join Law Firm Launch, you can do so by going to lawfirmlaunch.co. Best money, best investment you're ever going to make. I guarantee you that, okay? Be with a bunch of other cool law firm owners, doing other cool law firm owner things, learning my systems, my processes, how I approach things. Guarantee you'll get some value out of it, and go check it out. Okay, other than that, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Law Firm Launch. I'm also the owner of CMS Law Firm, And thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you. And I will talk to you again soon. See ya.